Cool. Then there's Octo Boy. Cool. Let's see. Alright. Can I talk to you? Not much going on here. How about heading up the ramp? This place looks abandoned. Agent 3 and I will keep a vigilant watch over Octo Valley. Where in the world has Agent 3 disappeared to? I'm too old for this. My back hurts. Not much going on here. How about heading on the ramp? Oh, I can just keep... Too old for this. My back hurts. Okay, so I can just keep on ignoring him then. I can just keep on pressing A if I want to. It's not like I'm stationary when that happens, or press B when I'm done. So I want to look around first. Explore and like just appreciate how this is, like how this looks. Oh look. That's cool, like it stretches. Little bulb head. Alright, where did I come from? From here? I don't know, maybe, probably. What the? Are you serious? I came from there? Is it like gonna show me like how I fell off from the end of the game? That's what I wanna know. Oh, I'm thinking, oh, there's actually an entrance. I thought like I had to press A or something because I'm seeing this is all duct tape, but I guess not. I can just walk in without paying. Okay. It looks so dark, creepy, and abandoned. That's cool. I don't know how long these episodes are gonna be. It might be 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I'm not gonna try to see more than 10, maybe 15. That's like really stretching it. I've seen people make videos for like 20 minutes long, and I really don't want to do that, to be honest. I want to make them bite size. Alright. Cool. Man, this looks... They did a really good job on the subway, because it reminds me of the subway back where I live right now, because I commute a lot. Okay, just walk around. Exploring places. Hey. Music changed. I'm having too much fun with this good form. Wow. Oh, I'm leaving the train. When a dove rushes this place, proceed with caution. Okay. Cool. There's details and sounds when I'm touching the beam. What is this? Coffee machines? Or are they like for cars? I don't know, maybe. Hey, that's an Octane vault. You need a key to open it. Oh yeah, it is. Being locked in, are you sure this place doesn't look familiar? I just not realized it looks like a crab. I never realized that. Maybe it's different from the regular story mode from Splatoon 2. Oh snap. I can't jump on this? Okay. Splat bomb, okay. Oh hey, from my first weapon. Music's already good. Probably the construction back there gave you a weapon. Oh, I should have jumped on it. Oh, wow. Things like any other octanes are here. This place might be abandoned. Find that key. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is my backpack for my ink tank for Octarians. I don't think I have the same thing for I wonder if I could have this option to use it on the regular multiplayer. That'd be pretty dope. Oh, okay, cool. Gonna assume that's what that is right here. Ahoy, you found the key. Now head back and open the vault. Okay. I think this is good for now. We'll stop her here.